Welcome to our channel XploreBeyond. Let's explore the benefits of gratitude. Gratitude is a positive emotional response that arises when one acknowledges the kindness or beneficial actions of others. It involves expressing thankfulness for the blessings or acts of goodwill received from individuals and circumstances. Research has shown that practicing gratitude have numerous mental, emotional, and social benefits, fostering a sense of contentment, enhancing well-being, and nurturing positive relationships. Are you ready to explore these benefits of practicing gratitude? Before exploring further, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Gratitude cultivates emotional resilience by enhancing one's ability to cope with challenging situations. It encourages individuals to reframe setbacks as learning opportunities and maintain a positive outlook during difficult times. Gratitude helps build trust, enhances empathy, and encourages acts of kindness, leading to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. Physical health. Research suggests that individuals who practice gratitude may experience lower blood pressure, better sleep quality, reduced symptoms of pain, improved immune function, and a lower risk of developing certain health conditions. Gratitude's positive effects on mental well-being and stress reduction likely contribute to these physical health benefits.